Kani kadiga Batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Kaseng sign perthai Bharatiya Janata Party Meghalaya State Unit kala Kyntu ya Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance balakli dau Konrad Kongkal Sangma kum Menteri Rangba bakadei ban Sam Hok yau Khaw balabha da Sorkar pedang syaki arpuai lakngut tam kilong yeng hagane ke jila Meghalaya lengba ka Skhim Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana Presiden ke BJP uba Ernest Mauri hak jinge keren bat kilat pathai kubor hak pratarik bunai naitung arajar arpo ulai itu bagane ke jingpen sngau syakit nendong skor jong ke Sorkar jela kalong halor ke nongrim baka seng kalau yok priang ya ke jing ujor na kipat ba khamtam na rilom garo ba kamshim ladon ke jing Sam Hok yau Khaw bat yau shana lengba ke Skhim Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana Hagajo kapor ulakan turu yau Menteri Rangba jong kejelau Konrad K. Sangma ba untuklar halor ke jing ujor jong kipat ba nongrep kejela ba kimshim layo setia ya ke song jing irap bisa ka ba hnrio hajar tengka ya ka ba lamang lengba ke Skhim Pradhan Mantri Kisan Saman Nidhi.
Extension of the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. As you are already aware, this scheme has been extended up to November 2020. Under this scheme, every poor person will be eligible to get 5 kgs of rice per month and 1 kg of chana per family per month. Friends, this is a very significant and in fact it is the world's largest food scheme. It will cost the government rupees 90,000 crore to provide free ration to 8 crore Indians for a period of 5 months. Already the government has spent rupees 54,000 crore in distributing free ration in the last 3 months. The BJP understands that the poor are the worst affected because of the lockdown. The daily wages earner and those who live hand to mouth find themselves in a particularly distressing situation. And therefore, BJP under the able leadership of Modi ji has chosen to provide maximum relief to these people and to ensure that no one in the country sleep on a hungry stomach. There are many honest taxpayers of the state and our country who have made this scheme possible. With utmost humility, I salute them. Whether this scheme will be extended further into December and beyond will depend on the COVID situation in the country at that point in time. However, I hope that we are able to overcome the difficulties by then and that the country and the economy is fully opened up. Friends, this is a great scheme, but I have received numerous complaints from our state, especially from Garo Hills, about the discrepancies in the implementation of this scheme. People complain that the benefits of this scheme reach only to the selected people. I take this opportunity to urge our Chief Minister to ensure that fair distribution of ration under this scheme. The COVID-19 pandemic is a humanitarian situation and no one should try to profit from this. The poor deserve our compassion and help and should not be deprived of what the central BJP government is trying to give them. received many complaints is the PM Kisan Saman Nidhi scheme. Under this scheme, every farmer of the state is entitled to receive rupees 6,000 per year directly into their account. Every farmer of the state is entitled to receive this scheme. This scheme is very beneficial for the state like Meghalaya, where almost 80% of the population is dependent under farming. However, I have been informed that farmers are finding it very difficult to register under this scheme as local authorities are not supporting them. Here I want to urge our Honorable CM, Shri Conrad Sangmaji, to look in the matter and ensure that every farmer of the state is able to enroll under this scheme. I also want to tell you, the farmer of the state, the BGP is here for you. And if you require, we will help you in your registration extra. I request you to please contact your local BGP member. They will honor to assist you. Friends, while we are discussing the relief package announced for the people during this COVID time, it is also important to look at the effort being made by our local legislature. We expect our local leaders to put in an equal effort as the central government, if not more, in helping the local people. Now, you know about the rupees 25 lakh that was given to each MLA of the state to help their respective constituencies during the pandemic. I sincerely hope that every MLA has utilized this amount judicially and distributed relief material to the people to their areas. However, every MLA is a public servant, and they are accountable and answerable to the public. And the public have the right to know as where they have earned taxpayers' money has been spent. In this regard, I urge the MLA to make public utilization statement of their expenses. The public will be best judge of whether their claimed expenses have actually reached the people. And the BGP is not saying this just for the sake of grabbing the headline. In fact, we will lead by example.